Welcome to Camalig, a charming town in the province of Albay, often called the heritage town of Albay. Beyond its rich history, Camalig is home to breathtaking landscapes where nature unfolds in shades of green. Today, let's discover 4 beautiful spots you shouldn't miss when visiting this town. Our journey begins at Quituinan Hill, a historic site offering one of the most breathtaking panoramic views of Mount Mayon. This hill carries a piece of history, having been used as a Japanese stronghold during World War II. Walking through the hill, you can almost feel the echoes of the past, imagining the events that once unfolded here. Today, it stands not only as a reminder of history but also as a serene place where visitors can pause, reflect, and reconnect with nature. As you climb to the top, the path is lined with wild grasses gently swaying in the breeze, while the fresh scent of earth and vegetation fills the air. The rolling fields below stretch endlessly, dotted with small farms and coconut trees, giving you a glimpse of everyday life in Camalig. In the distance, the town emerges softly under the sun's warmth, while the majestic silhouette of Mayon Volcano dominates the horizon, perfectly framed by the lush surroundings. From the top, every angle offers a new view to admire, a golden sunset casting shadows over the fields, the play of clouds around Mayon's peak, or the quiet solitude that makes you feel miles away from the rush of daily life. Bring your camera, or simply sit and take it all in, the soft rustle of the grass, the distant chirping of birds, and the gentle wind brushing your face. Quituinan Hill isn't just a destination, it's an experience that invites you to slow down, breathe deeply, and fully immerse yourself in the serene beauty and history of Camalig. Next, we arrive at Solong Eco Park, a hidden sanctuary surrounded by vibrant greenery and the gentle whispers of the wind through the trees. Nestled among rolling hills and dramatic limestone rock formations, this peaceful park invites visitors to slow down and soak in the natural beauty around them. Every corner is filled with the scent of fresh earth and leaves, and the soft rustle of plants creates a calm, soothing rhythm. Designed with sustainability in mind, Solong Eco Park is not only a haven for local wildlife but also a perfect escape for eco-tourists seeking a quiet retreat where nature's beauty takes center stage. As we begin climbing the hill, the path winds gently upward, inviting exploration and discovery. Along the trail, small details of nature catch your eye, like clusters of caterpillars slowly making their way across the ground, a quiet reminder of the life thriving all around. Visitors to Solong Eco Park can enjoy leisurely walks along winding trails that weave through vibrant greenery and gentle hills, each step revealing a new detail of this serene landscape. The sunlight filters through the trees, casting playful patterns on the ground, while the soft rustle of leaves and distant bird calls create a calming soundtrack to your journey. From the summit of the trail, the panorama unfolds dramatically. The perfectly shaped Quitinday Hills rise in the distance, and the majestic Mayon Volcano dominates the horizon, its iconic cone visible especially on clear, sunny days. Along the way, thoughtfully designed spots offer opportunities to pause, take photos, or simply sit and absorb the surroundings. These Instagram-worthy corners blend seamlessly with nature, allowing visitors to create lasting memories while appreciating the harmony of the park's natural and human-made beauty. Every step along the trail invites reflection, wonder, and a deep connection to the tranquil environment that makes Solong Eco Park truly special. Just a short drive from the town center lies the Quitinday Hills, a striking landscape of perfectly shaped green mounds that seem to stretch endlessly across the horizon. The climb to the viewpoint is short but rewarding, offering small but memorable moments along the way. As you step onto the trail, the ground is soft with grass and earth, and each stride brings you closer to the unfolding scenery above. The gentle sound of the wind brushing through the hills creates a soothing rhythm, almost like nature's own melody guiding your ascent. From time to time, butterflies flutter across the path, their delicate wings catching the light as they dance among the wildflowers that line the trail. Reaching the top, you're greeted by a sweeping panorama that stretches as far as the eye can see, the perfect balance of green hills, blue sky, and Mayon's iconic silhouette. On clear days, the view is nothing short of spectacular, while during cloudy moments, the mist adds a touch of mystery to the scenery. It's an ideal place for photography, whether you're capturing the vastness of the landscape, the gentle curves of the hills, or the dramatic presence of Mayon Volcano. It's also a place to simply sit and let the world slow down for a while. The fresh air fills your lungs with every deep breath, carrying with it the gentle scent of grass and earth. As you sit quietly on the hillside, the only sounds you hear are the whisper of the wind and the soft rustle of leaves swaying in harmony with the breeze. From this spot, the vast green mounds roll endlessly before your eyes, while the perfect cone of Mayon Volcano towers proudly in the distance, a timeless reminder of nature's grandeur. It's the kind of beauty that doesn't just please the eye, but also leaves a quiet imprint on the soul, a memory of Camalig's countryside that stays with you long after you've left, calling you back to its peaceful embrace. Finally, we visit Sumlang Lake, a tranquil body of water that mirrors the grandeur of Mayon Volcano in its calm surface. The lake is surrounded by verdant trees and soft grassy banks, creating a peaceful atmosphere that invites relaxation. Visitors can take a ride on a bamboo raft, watch the gentle ripples of the water, or enjoy a quiet moment by the shore. The reflection of the volcano on the lake, especially during early morning or late afternoon, creates a picture-perfect view that feels almost magical. Sumlang Lake is the perfect place to end your Camalig adventure, offering serenity, beauty, and a lasting memory of this charming town.